Rippy over at Marion for the Rural King and Rod Knockers Carshow, Marion, Ohio for Saturday of the month. Someone put their Range Rover in here, number 3. Used to be quite a few of these on the road. Nice highway car. A kit car, replica it's called. Here's a wagon we haven't seen yet this year. It's just a flat top on that one, high. So there's 2 of those around, you think? Yeah, there's 2 of them the same color. Square body wagon. Yeah, I've seen some people from over home up here. We're halfway to Canada. I didn't realize how close Marion was to Mansfield. This is a pretty car, isn't it? A Tangerine. Kia Carmen Gia. G-H-I-A. I think there's a meaning behind that. I couldn't tell you right off the bat, but beautiful Beetle. I'm gonna say it's a Chrysler product. Yeah, the blue one. Looks like a Pontiac almost. But no. Yes, it's a Chrysler. A ZZ Top car, for lack of a better term. One coming in, and more to the show than I thought. Fully stocked in many sheds. Talk about a supply shortage, but not in this case. Check out how they did the scoops in the hood there. It's an old Wildcat or a Riviera, I'm sorry. It's got those huge aluminum drum brakes on the front, all the way around, and a really cool window in the back. Okay, it's all Riviera. Scary prices on these. A DeLorean, got the gold wings open, just alone. Haven't seen one of these very often. We don't have these in Central Ohio like we used to. This car belongs in Florida or California, like a movie set car. This kind of reminds me of one that was here that was all like primer and stuff before, and then now they got it. They painted it blue. Yeah, beautiful car there by Ford back in the day. A Hudson Super. $1930. Panel. Silver. And then has the suicide doors on it. Rather generation Grand Prix. Nice convertible triple black Falcon. I the nicest Falcon I ever seen, really. I mean, the combination it has. I helped paint this car. I worked on this one before. I helped build it for the guy. It's been a long time ago, but that's it. Beautiful Nova. Probably a big block. The 350 Nova. Pretty good selection of Volkswagens here today. The newer cars. Hi.
How you doing?
Great, thanks. Here we go, 454. A fun looking Vega right there. Seems like I saw some of those for sale the other day. Someone had them. There was a Cosworth one for sale. That's the guy's boat. We're gonna walk on up to the building here. Yeah, that little 289 in that guy. That car is nice, man. Oh, I thought this was that convertible. It's over there. This is a different one. Whole different body style. Well, yeah, because the front fender, but yeah, that one's a convertible. Pretty nice hardtop here, huh? Futura Falcon. That almost sounds Canadian. A flower car conversion. Over there next to it. I don't know what they were thinking when they built this car. It's got a lot of different things. It kind of clashes all the 260 V8. Yeah, pretty high-end 57 here. Yeah. Something you don't see every day here. That looks like a 48, almost. It's a 49. Wow. I wonder if I know this car. See what Cadillac was doing, it has a 3-piece window. I'm just going to guess and say 48 had a 2-piece, and then 49 was a 3-piece. That's the nicest one of them I've seen in, I don't know, when the Thor thumb tail lights. Pretty awesome. Really comfortable looking car too. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Welcome to Rippy over here at Marion. Quad Doctor.